Okay guys, so I really loved creating my auction piece for the California Fire Foundation. I'm trying to get that in here without getting it painted and everything. Anywho, so I figured why not do one with a black background, because I love black negative space. I've already coated the canvas. I've already sprayed the golden sun, the orb, whatever you want to call it. And I have my little baby here. And we're going to use fairly similar colors as the original piece. And I have those colors here. So I have TLP, Fluid Arcos, this little piggy pigment, algae. I have 24K gold. I have titanium white. I have this little piggy pigment, burnt Sierra. And then I have TLP, this little piggy pigments, Constellation. And then I have black. So those are the colors we're going to be using. And we're going to do a repeat of the other one. But this one is, I believe, oh gosh, what size canvas? I believe this is 18 by 24. I put away the measuring tape. So let me see. Yeah, 18 by 24. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So let's get rolling. Okay, here we go. So let's see. The first color I'm going to put in the cup, I'm just layering a 7-ounce cup here. And I'm going to do a little bit of white. And then I'm going to move the black out of the way for a minute. I'm going to add a bit of the gold. And I'm going to come in with the Constellation. And then maybe some of the black, just a little bit. And then algae. Gosh, I hope I don't need to put together more of that. I might have to. And then some white. Gold. Burnt Sierra. A little bit of black. Algae, Constellation, and I come in with a little bit of the white, and I think that's where I'm going to stop there. Just got paint on me, and I believe what I'm going to do is layer another cup. So I'm going to come in with white, just a smidge, and then burnt Sierra, the gold, the black, and 2 algae, Constellation. Let's do a solid white, gold, burnt Sierra. Let's see here, let's do some black. And then I think the rest of the algae. Okay. Oh. Next up, part of my hands everywhere. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna coat this with black. And then we are going to pour our cups, layered cups in there. I want to make sure I'm on camera because when I did the other piece, it was not. So I'm just gonna open that a little more. And I'm just coating this. All right. Am I in camera? I am. Okay. So right here, we're gonna start. I'm gonna end right like that. I actually want to do something else. I want to bring this through, this chopstickaroo through that. I think what I want to do is bring this down. Oh yeah. And now we're gonna switch hands. I'm gonna come over here and pour so that you can see it. Oh my Lord. Okay, we're gonna move this because I love what's going on. That is crazy amazing. And I'm okay with it being where it is. I may just come over this with my next one. So again, we're gonna cover this in black. My gosh, so awesome. Best idea ever. Okay, I'm gonna leave, like there's about a third of the cup left. I'm gonna leave that one like that for now. And I am gonna come in with this fresh cup and show it who's boss. And I'm gonna just stop there. It's like a balancing act, truly. And then I'm gonna come through this. I really love what's going on that one. So we're actually gonna start on this edge here. It's like really awesome. I'm gonna give it a torch. All right, we're gonna come in here. So I have my tray still. And then I think if I can, I'm gonna do this one too. Oh, this is gonna be an interesting pour. I love the colors in this cup. They're crazy cool. I love this. Yeah, we're gonna keep it just as is. So you guys wanna see it? Oop, where are you? There you are. Can you see that? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know, kind of nervous. No, I'm not gonna. I was gonna put the rest there, but holy Hannah, this is like crazy insane. Okay, so we're good. I keep saying so, and I'm really sorry. I'm working on that. It's a habit. We're gonna fill in all that negative space. Not really space, but you know what I mean. We're gonna move you in here. We're gonna adjust you a smidgen. All right. So, right here, and there you go. I said so again. All right, there's this area here, and then there's this area here. I kind of want to fill it in with black because I think it is going to just add so much more to this piece with a bit of negative space, a little area where your eyes can rest within the composition. All right, I'm not gonna do any more there, but there's a little space here. Oh yeah. I just have to say, there are no words right now. I am super, super in love with this piece. It is going to a new home. And yeah, what a surprise. I can't wait to do more. Thanks so much for joining us today. This is a sneak peek of another video coming out. And yeah, you guys have a great day. Bye for now.